How to make money online with the Millionaire Fastlane strategies and using ChatGPT. The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ Demarco is an inspiring guide to achieving financial freedom through entrepreneurship and building businesses that can generate passive income. So if you want to achieve financial freedom faster and more effectively, stay tuned until the end of the video. Step 1. Identifying opportunities. The book emphasizes the importance of identifying opportunities and developing a unique value proposition that meets the needs of customers while generating significant profits. One example of this is creating a niche blog or YouTube channel that provides valuable content to a specific audience, such as vegan recipes or fitness tips. By building a loyal following and partnering with relevant brands, you can generate passive income through affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, you could generate ideas for niche blogs or YouTube channels by inputting keywords related to specific topics or interests. For example, if you're interested in vegan recipes, you could input keywords like vegan food, plant-based diet, or healthy eating into ChatGPT and receive suggestions for niche topics to explore. You could also use ChatGPT to generate content ideas for your blog or channel, such as recipe videos, cooking tutorials, or product reviews. Here are some examples of prompts you could use in ChatGPT. What are some unique and profitable niches that are currently underserved in the market? Can you suggest some creative and attention-grabbing headlines for my blog or YouTube channel? Step 2. Developing a unique value proposition. To develop a unique value proposition, the book suggests understanding your target market and their pain points, desires, and motivations. For example, if you're interested in the health and wellness industry, you might develop an online course that teaches people how to overcome specific health issues or achieve their fitness goals. By creating a solution that meets a specific need in the market, you can stand out from competitors and generate significant profits. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you understand your target market and their pain points by analyzing customer data and generating insights. For example, you could input customer feedback, survey responses, or social media comments into ChatGPT and receive insights on their needs, desires, and motivations. You could also use ChatGPT to generate copy or messaging that speaks to your target audience, such as taglines, product descriptions, or email newsletters. Here are some examples of prompts you could use in ChatGPT. Can you generate some new and innovative product ideas based on customer data and feedback? Write an outline for an online course on how to achieve my fitness goals. Write a 6-minute video script for an online course lesson on, and add your topic. Step 3. Building systems and processes for passive income. The book also emphasizes the importance of building systems and processes that can generate passive income. One example of this is creating an e-commerce store that sells niche products or services. By automating the order fulfillment process and leveraging social media and online advertising, you can generate passive income while focusing on other areas of your business. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you automate your e-commerce store by generating copy for product descriptions, email newsletters, or social media posts. You could input product information or keywords into ChatGPT and receive suggestions for copy that resonates with your target audience. You could also use ChatGPT to analyze customer data and generate insights on customer behavior, such as which products they're most interested in or which marketing channels are most effective for driving sales. Here are some examples of prompts you could use in ChatGPT. Can you generate some new and innovative product ideas based on customer data and feedback? What are some effective and unconventional marketing strategies that I can use to drive traffic and sales to my e-commerce store? If you want to know all the strategies explained in the book, you can download it for free by clicking on the link in the description. Learn more strategies to make money online by checking out our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.